Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to make HDR video by CapCut PC. This is the graft method. First duplicate your video. Silence one of it. This is optional. Then go to adjustment and click curve. Adjust all the curve by pull up the left side and pull down the right side. Total have 4 colors, which is white, red, green, and blue. This is the duplicated video. Do not touch the original video.
Pull up, pull down, pull, 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 pull up.
Go to Effects. Click Lens. And find the blur effect. Add it to the duplicated video. You can add it to favorite if you like. After add, then extend it to all duplicated video. Next, combine it by create compound. OK. Now go to Media and click to Library. Choose the white background and add it to the top, and extend it to cover the duplicated video. Before that, let me change the mode of duplicated video first. Remember, change the mode of the duplicated video to linear burn. This can change at after make the compound video. Adjust the opacity to 40 to 50%. You can adjust later for the best display you like. Let me put 50% first. Okay, now we back to the white background extension. And here I no idea why can't extend it long. So I extend it by copy and paste. Maybe you have better idea. After fully cover the duplicated video with white background. Then make all the white background to overlay mode. OK, now check and final adjust for the duplicated video. You can adjust the opacity to get the best display you desire. Here I choose 40% opacity. Final, we go to the original video. After the duplicated video done, adjust. Click the adjustment and go to basic. Final, adjust the brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, and illumination to get the best display you like. After adjust all, then we testing it. Pretty. Thank you for watching.